Good afternoon from Grand Family Farm. It's April 10th, 2025, and it's about 2 p.m. I back down here to get the brush from the house, and I cannot go forward. It's just spinning on one side. Son Charlie tried to jump up and down on it and push it and everything else, but it's spinning. It's not moving. So I'll have to tractor down here and pull on it. And I really need somebody else to help me, so we'll see what happens. As I was backing out, I was watching this tree and I seen it move. I went to go forward and the truck actually slid backwards when I started spinning. The four-wheel drive is not working on this. It's a push button four-wheel drive, and something's wrong with it. The good news is most of the brush is out of here. Got a few more pieces that wouldn't move, and some of this brush that's still on this wood, I'm gonna cut it off, but it's a lot cleaner than it was. Well, let's see if this little John Deere pulls this 10 up. I don't have a driver for this 10 now. We'll try it. Sally's driving. Sally's a good driver. To self, fixed full drive. Sally's not always going to be there to drive it out. Drive off from under all that, I believe. There it is. Time to go get some more. There's some really long stuff I'm gonna have to cut up before I can take it out back. I got that mess cleaned up. I have a little bit more on the other side of the trees here, just small stuff. And then pick up some stuff by that tree by the Yukon. That's cleaned up. So I'm gonna go unload the truck down there where the pile is. All this brush is taken care of. It's laying around the place. I have a bunch more that's along the fence line we have to deal with later on. So this takes care of the majority of it. Get it burning it. Now you go put the tractor away and go feed those animals. I do appreciate you watching. Catch you next time.